Hi everyone, and welcome again to another tutorial at momblogcentral.com. This is Shara, and today we are going to look at a really basic function for a WordPress blog, and that is exporting a file for your blog posts and pages. It is a very simple export. It is the standard one that comes with the WordPress installation on your self-hosted WordPress blog. As well as, I believe, the same one you would use if you were hosted at wordpress.com. So we will be getting into sometime soon some more detailed, in-depth backups that are plugins, as well as some FTP type backing up steps that you can take just to kind of give you some more options to make sure that you get more complete backups, especially of your theme, your files that are sitting there that include like images and things like that. But for now, we're going to go ahead, and we have this opened menu here. We're on the dashboard at momblogcentral.com, and you're going to go down to Tools, and you can see that you just have a few options. You may have more options here depending on the plugins that you have installed, but for our purposes today, you would just hit Export. And as that opens up, the whole process of exporting your blog is such a simple one. If you post 3 times a week or more, I do recommend that you back up your blog at least once per week. If you post 1 time per week, right in there, once a month might actually be fine for you. It really depends on how often you post on your blog. Again, it's all content. It's really simple. Just hit download export file. Choose the file you want it to be saved in, and call it good. And you can name it if you want it to have a different name. Basically, that is all there is to it. Again, this is only going to back up a WordPress extended file of posts, pages, comments, custom fields, categories, and tags. It will also download the user attached to each one. It's a fairly complex download still in its own right, but there's no way to set it up to do it automatically. So we're going to be looking at plugins in the future that will tell you a little bit more about that and things like that. But again, this is a really basic backup to at least have it on your computer, on your hard drive, upload it to, say, Dropbox or Cloud or something like that, but keep a file of it separate from your blog in case anything does happen. And be sure to check back for more tutorials on great ways to use plugins and things like that to your advantage, and follow us on our YouTube channel as well for any time we update new tutorials. That's it for today. Talk to you soon.